In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom CSS in Unbounce. If you want tighter control over fonts, spacing, colors, or special visual effects on your landing pages, adding your own CSS is the cleanest way to do it, and it only takes a minute. First, open your page in the Unbounce Classic Builder. Make sure you're working in the Classic interface, since that's where the style sheet tools live. With your page open, look toward the bottom left corner of the builder. You'll see a button labeled Style Sheets. Click that to open the Style Sheet dialog. A small window will appear where you can create and manage your styles. Start by giving your style sheet a clear name that describes its purpose, like Page Hero Styles or Form Tweaks. Then paste your CSS rules into the large field below. You don't need to wrap your rules in style tags, just the CSS itself. Keep things organized with comments if you like, and consider grouping related rules together so they're easier to find later. If you plan to adjust layouts for smaller screens, you can include mobile-specific rules with media queries in the same style sheet. When you're happy with your changes, click Done. Back in the builder, make sure to save, and then publish or republish your page so the CSS takes effect on the live version. Publishing is important. Some changes won't appear publicly until you do. If you don't see the update right away, refresh your browser or clear the cache to load the newest version. To control exactly which elements your CSS targets, use class or ID selectors. You can assign a custom class to any element directly in the builder. Click the element you want to style, open the Properties panel, then scroll down to the Element Metadata section. In the Class ID field, type a class name you'll recognize later, like Promo Banner or CTA Button. After that, reference the same class in your CSS rules. Classes are great for styling multiple elements the same way, while IDs should be unique to a single element on the page. Keep names short, lowercase, and hyphenated so they're easy to read and reuse. That's it. Open your page in Classic Builder, add a style sheet, paste your CSS, click Done, then save and publish or republish. Use classes or IDs to precisely target elements, and you'll have full control over your landing page styling without cluttering the design.